SMS, voice, email, web. For each of your customers and staff, there are multiple ways to make contact when they're on the move or staying put. Which will get the best results for you? With Esendex, you're partnering with a team of people who know how to make business communication better. From appointment reminders to payments, promotions to delivery notifications, we make sure your messages get through quickly, reliably, and securely, with the added benefit of first-class customer support. And we're proud to serve businesses, big and small, all over the world. When your message matters, Esendex delivers. Sign up for a free trial at esendex.com.